Hey guys, it's Gary. Today's legal tip, we're going to talk about FSBOs, expired and withdrawn. So Janet sent me a really good email a couple weeks ago, and I wanted to share it with everybody today about marketing toward or reaching out toward expired withdrawns and FSBOs. Now, I think it's a very good strategy. I know a lot of people reach out to FSBOs to try to get them into a listing agreement. Also, when a listing is expired, people reach out to those. So the question really comes down to, is it okay to reach out to somebody that has had their listing withdrawn from MLS? The concern is that perhaps that person is still under an agency agreement with that particular listing agent, and reaching out to them could be perceived as interfering with that agency agreement. So the answer is yes and no. It's really depends on how you reach out. Okay, you cannot solicit someone who's under an agency agreement with another. And just because they're withdrawn the listing doesn't mean that that listing agreement necessarily has expired or has been terminated. So the proper way to reach out is you can reach out to ask two questions. First question is, are you still under an exclusive representation agreement? If they say yes, the only other question you may ask at that time is, can you please tell me when it expires? After that, thank you very much. Have a great day. You may not solicit. You may not say at that point, well, when it expires, I want to be the one who lists, and this is all the things that I can do for you. That would be soliciting. So all you can do at that point is say thank you, goodbye. If they say they are not under exclusive agency agreement, I would go ahead now and start asking some more questions. Well, who were you under the listing agreement? When did that expire? Did you terminate it? Have you sent a termination document before you start soliciting? Because what you might find out is the person doesn't truly understand what this agreement is. So make sure that you are fully aware of all of the facts involved here as to whether or not it truly was terminated, have they signed a document, and so forth. So you got to be very careful with it. But under the Realtor Code of Ethics, as well as our state law, it is proper in South Carolina for you to reach out to a withdrawn listing, but you may not solicit them until you have information that it is not an exclusive agreement. If it's exclusive, in the conversation there by only asking when it expires. All right. Very simple, I think. So just make sure that you're not soliciting until you know for sure that they are not under an exclusive representation agreement. All right. Hope that helps y'all. If y'all got any questions, y'all can reply in the reply button down below. You can also give us a little thumbs up if you like it. And otherwise, you can email me at gary@blaircato.com. Y'all send your closings to Blair Cato. As y'all know now, we have offices Greenville, Spartanburg, Camden coming next week, as well as Lexington and Richland. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Y'all have a great weekend.